Alright guys, the time to solve only for you the machine at the HackTheBox, and this is the Linux machine and difficulty is medium here. The generally is people rating for this to difficulty is a bit hard, and medium is over here, so we will be submitted flag difficulty rating here together. So let's get starting. So we just have to be here the mmap as a to IP address. We just have to be go this IP address and it's redirect us to here only for you dot hack the box. Then you have to be definitely here starting to mmap scan. So you will just see here these are the 22 port is open, so we get shell with this, and that there is 80 port is open. It's what we are checking it like that. But before do this, you have to be go here and then starting the view is over there for the looking for the is for we just have to be check it here for the view for the looking at the subdomain of the server. So okay, let's get starting. So let me last here the civil tags. Let me go for the topology. It could be here. Nope, really. Okay, so let me go here sublime tags and snoopy.txt. all right, that here, so let me use it for the for fuzzing at the subdomain is over here, but or the new address is equal to here. So I think it's could be like here not right now, and let me checking here, or new IP address is equal to only for you dot hack the box. So it's actually is equal as the host. So now we have to give it is the URL, or URL is only for you dot hack the box is over here. Then it will be giving us the result for this. So when it's ending, we just have to be check it here for the 20 to the request is over there. Then you will be go here with let me counting here etc and the host file. Then you will be seeing here there is beta subdomain is open for this. So let me clear here, and I think it's okay for it. So for example, if you want to check it here the beta, then you will see here, for example, let me running here 200. Then you will be running here the status is 200 is beta here. So you just have to be adding it on your to etc host file on your Linux. So let me to click it and clear here. Now we got here the two URL. The first one is this, and the second one is to again this with, but we have to be adding here subdomain and who call it beta is over there. So that is correct. So let me go here the target, and then you just have to be turn on your Fox proxy. So let me analyzing this website right now. So alright, we finding here test analysis interpreter match Brandon. If it's there's some to email or something like that, no, there is no. So let me go services documented connected, but it's giving us nothing here. We just click it. So there is our term. It could be important because it could be here the some to email or the username we have to be gathering, but it will be definitely not working here. So let me checking. It's yes, we got here only for you that hack the box, and we are just now the to add the static folder of this. So so let me scroll down here. Okay, there is nothing for the team here. We can get in here email address or the username, something like that. Alright, cool. Then we have got here contact, and you just have to be go here the contact is over here. Then we get here the contact directory. Yes. Right here. So we are getting here the contacts directory is pusher. Okay. No, I'm just actually looking for this. So yes. Now we are just able to looking for folder at HackTheBox only for you domain is over here. So now I'm trying here task and the task, and oh, it's which one is email here? So this one is email, right? Yes, test.task.com, and the message is could be text. So let me send the message here. Then it will be actually redirected somewhere. That means so we can try here to get the request for this contact. So let me running here again, test.com. Subject it could be test, and the message could be like test. Yes, then we have to be go proxy is over here, intercept is on when we are send the message is over here. Yes, they are using here post request. Now that means it's redirecting somewhere this message. So let me go here in the repeater, and then so you can actually start turn off your Fox proxy, but it doesn't need it. So let me go repeater and try to be send it. So it will be actually giving us the here to redirecting. You should be redirect automatically target URL to contact, and if not, click the link. Alright, we just have to be now they are using here the also is session, and the different station is over here. So what means is they're using your post and it's redirecting somewhere, and we can just looking for here at this name, email, subject or message is over here for looking at the adding here something like different for the getting shell or local file inclusion. But before do this, let me go here for delete it and go for beta subdomain is over there. So let me go to beta dot, then it will be redirect access here. Beta, this is our beta site. Check the products and let us know what you think, and if you are interested, contact us. So let me go to source cop, and it's going to be source the zip file, so we can actually analyzing here up the Python file like that. So let me analyzing this Python file. The before the analyzing, I think we can ask this for ChatGPT. It will be analyzing for us to goods. So let me go ChatGPT, and I think we can turn off our Fox proxy here. So let me sending. Then, all right. Right. So, okay. Convert handles image format conversation. Users all upload images. To upload the images, check it the extension. If it's PNG, it's converted to JPG, and the vice versa. So the converted image then sent user for download. So source allows user zip file. Okay, I think this is important. The source is allow user it's download to zip file here, and the download handles downloading of image from the list. It's check the image path and service it's an attachment. Error handlers, routes for handling common HTTP errors is over here. All right, so let me looking for tool.python. No, I'm not just not app.python. I'm just gonna be looking for tool.python file. That will be for converting. It's converting PNG to JPG file here. Okay, so let me to go here. So for example, to convert, it will be converting to PNG to JPG, and a resize will giving us here image resizer. So I think there is nothing we can see here, but we have to be go back OnlyForYou then HackTheBox that conducts here. So I think we can actually starting here GoBuster for the terminal directory. GoBuster dir-u, and then it's definitely our addresses is equal that, but it will be giving us nothing. I think here and -v and the user share worthless dir-buster directory list on 3.me medium txt is over here, and it will be just giving us directory of this website. So I actually be interesting it at the contact because it's actually redirecting us with this post request is over here, so it could be important. So I think we can start trying to get a shell here, but it could be on email or shell, I don't know. So it could be our understanding here. So Okay, image path is operating system path, join current app configuration, convert folder. So it could be on the email, so let me try and here the email. So we have to be using here reverse shell generator. So let me go here, and you just have to be give your IP address is here, and I could be I want to be changing with 44. We're gonna be use it, but before they use it, so you just have to be answer it with you know, bash-i and then bash-c and then bash-i. It could be like that, right? So let me control copy it and go here at the file my Fox proxy, so we can actually add in here. So it will be definitely giving us the shell here, but we have to be definitely looking for it. So we just have to be adding here plus, and then let me using here for this, it's could be plus and then bash-i plus, and then to for here the plus, and then it could be with the plus, but it will be not adding. So we just have to be checking it with the here 26% here. So we just have to be using here 26%, and it will be giving us here the shell, and the same thing with the here. All right, 20%, and then will be 1 and the subject here. So let me start in here ANCAT listener ANCAT-mlp 4444. If it's giving us a shell here, let me running it. So it's giving us here nothing, right? So that means that we got here something wrong. Bash-i is it something wrong here? So let me to looking for this. Bash-i is div tcp at this port and add here. So definitely we have to be adding here to single quotation mark. So let me send it one more time, then it will definitely giving us the here bash the reverse shell here, but it's not. Alright, are we gonna get the shell here the wrong? No, we're not. Yes, now we get shell of this web server, but we are just here double data. So you know, it could be our lateral movement is over here. So let me using it with this, with like this for you. Alright, let me saying here the ls, then it will be just giving us app.python, form.python, and only for you sock here. So let me minimize it. So now we can go here. Oh my god, so right here. Okay, that's fine. So we get shell here at this we are just at this on the, you know, looking for to the bash-c on this to email messaging here. So that's fine. So definitely we have to be running here python 3-c import putty.spawn and then binary bash. Okay, that's fine. Alright, that's cool. And export here the term, export term is equal to x term, then control z ctt the row and dash echo and the semicolon and then fg here. So are we gonna get the shell like so let me clear it. Yeah, it's working now. Now we have to be to if you are checking here ID, we are just here the double data. So I think we have to be creating or add this to user here. So if you are checking here the home, and you will be see here definitely developer and John, we have to be upgrade or shell to John here. So it's able to be, you just have to be go here the tmp, then you can running here to, you know, with some different things. I want to be running here, I don't know what's called I be running, so let me go here the opt before. You can running here PowerShell Python 64 or the limpy-shell. Alright, let me run this. So I think it's could be or limpy-shell. Where is the limpy-shell here? There is no, so let me installing limpy-shell file. then it will be here. Yes, you just have to be come over here and the controller A and controller copy. You just have to be checking OK and go here limpis.shell. So we just have to be paste here, and that is definitely at the controller X. And let me running here ls now, or limpis.shell is over here. So before that is you just have to be starting here your Python listener and the python 3-m http server. So okay, it's ending because we are got shell here. So what's our shell is over there. So let me running here widget http and then running here. So you just have to be give your IP address, and then to here is we are just listening or Python listener ID 1000 port, and then we just have to be paste here limpis.shell, and then to execute it and run it here directly. So let me use here chmod +x and the limpis.shell. Then it will be definitely giving us how we can using here to to get shell. Is there something wrong? Yes. So let me running here limpis.shell, and it will definitely giving us here to how we can upgrade our shell privilege escalation. Alright, cool. And so let me check it. Is it there somewhere? But there's no. Okay, then we got here. Okay, you don't have to be go scroll down. Then you will be have to be get here to active ports is over there. Yes, we have to be using here our network skills definitely. So let me paste it here. Okay, that's fine. I think that's fine now. So they are using here to active ports, but we cannot see because they are using it at the localhost. So for the running their localhost at our Kali Linux, definitely you have to be using here chisel. But before the using chisel here, you have to be understanding they are using here 8001 and to here is SQL port here and AD here and the 3000 here, and it could be important because it's a Flask port, and now it's just adding or to getting shell here. So we have to be to talking or with or to network skills is over here. So let me go here to clear, and we have to be able to this looking for this port is definitely it could be 8001 and here for and what's the other one is important, it's here, where is it, am I got it wrong, is it could be here 300, so we have to be just looking for here 300 is Flask and 814 is we have to be to getting shell with this. So for the gathering shell to get accesses this port, we definitely have to be using here chisel. So let me go here chisel release, and you just have to be go chisel release is over here, and it's definitely you just have to be install this. So chisel 191 Linux emd gunzip here, and it will be on your download file. So let me go here my download file. So downloads, and it's over there. Where's the chisel? Where's my chisel? Is over here. You just have to be gunzip it. So let me to sending it at the opt file here. So opt file is over here, right? So I think we have to be go here the opt. Then it's the chisel is over there. You can have to be to transfer it at this. So you have to be transfer this to our target. So it's definitely is able to it if it's there. There is no Python listener. Yes, it's there. The Python listener is especially is over here and here. So let me run it here Python listener one more time. HTTP server. So we just have to be go over to reverse shell and then add this. So widget HTTP, and you just have to be giving here your IP address, and it's for the 18 at this 80,000 port. And let me go here to sending the chisel here, and then when it's the the ending this the chisel, it will be giving us the here shell directly. Okay. So before using chisel, you have to be know you have to be knowing here what port is using for the chisel, and it's running on to 11, and then 22 is here. It's the chisel port. You have to be using this definitely. So where's my opt file? Is over here. I think it's okay. Now we have to be running this chisel at this reverse shell here. So let me run it ls, and it's definitely is over here. Just have to be using here chmod plus x, and then chisel. Let me running here the chisel. Yes, that is fine. So let me using here clear, and then let me run to chisel here. You just have to be running here the chisel. And then how we can use here the chisel? If you are starting your chisel at this terminal, you just have to be give it client, because it's our target, you know. You just have to be running here the client on your target. So you just have to be definitely giving here on your to IP address. My IP address is equal that, and then what port want to be listening here. You know, it's listening on this chisel port, and chisel port is equal to 11, 22, and 2. So now we are just running chisel with this chisel port with our IP addresses over here. So now to get the shell here with about this port is equal to 3000 and 80,001. So we just have to be getting the reverse with this capital R here, and let me running here the 3000 with definitely it could be on localhost, but it's something wrong here for the running. So okay, let me do it on at this for here, because it could be or giving us something error to terminal. So definitely you have to be running here chisel again client, and then you have to be giving here your IP address 10.10 AD, and then it's a to 11, 22, it's chisel port here. So I'm using here reverse at this. So this is or the first port we have to be checking for, and the second one is the localhost. So let me using here localhost, and it could be or again you have to be give it here the 300. So the second one is definitely equal to here 80,001, and the again you have to be give it here your to localhost. It's the again you have to be checking it with this. So now it's okay, we can run it here. So let me run the here is no such file or directory. Really? Yes, it is. Yeah, we have to be running here. Thus, we have to just giving here the dot. Yes. Okay, let me running it. Now it's working here. That feels really cool. Then we have to be starting same thing at or to opt file where is the chisel. So let me running here the chisel again. So it will be definitely give you how you can use, and we are using here server -p is you have to be giving here the 11 2022 is a chisel port, and you got it here the reverse shell is a bit like that. So when you get that to retry and connect it, then you can use their port on your local host, and it's connected here. So what we have to be doing it, we just have to be doing here to let me save it, then explain for you. Alright, we just have to be doing here to just to connected this different IP addresses at this port with the local host. Then we can access the ports. What ports just saving on this local hosting is over here. So alright, that's really, oh my god, really? Oh, my fault. So Ellie. Oh my god, is it really? And cat dash MVLP on 44 here. Alright, let me checking it if it's working. I don't know. I don't think so, but let me try. Yeah, it's working. So don't need it here. Actually need it. Let me send it one more time. Yes, then let me go TMP ls. Then our port is here. Is something wrong? No. So okay. So this is only for you. It could be, or let me credential, try and credential admin and admin here. No. What's only for you credential? Only for you credential. To on 81. Okay, it's not copy 81 credential 81. What's the credential here? 81 credential. Okay, is there something wrong? So let me try add the 3000. So if I'm gonna check in here SDS, and it will be giving your username or password is wrong. But for admin and admin, that is not any wrong. Yeah, there is no. So for example, let me try like that. Yes, username or password is wrong, but for admin and admin, it's giving us nothing here. So if I'm gonna be trying here admin and password, yes, username and password, so that means our admin and admin is correct here, but we cannot get the shell here directly, so we cannot access it here. Is there something wrong for here? This could be, yeah. So let me open this, and then it will be not redirected. Yes, that's correct. So let me doing the same thing what we were doing before, and let's come here terminal, and then let me starting here again ANCAT listener, ANCAT dash MVLP 44 here. Then we have to be go again here and send this. So let me send. Yes, platform 3-c import. Really, putty the spawn is binary bash here, and export term here, x term, and controller z ctti raw dash echo semicolon fg. Then we can using here clear like that, right? So yes, let me go here tmp tmp, then say here ls. No, it's or chisel is running here, so that is really cool. So again, let me copy this, so to add here, and for this, so we have to be go here to opt file and then run this. Now it has to be giving us here connected message. When we get here connected, yeah, it's connected now. So let me try again. So username is admin, is password is admin here. So what's wrong? Is there something wrong? So let me try dashboard. So but we cannot get shell here. Admin and admin. No, we cannot get shell here. Yes, we got shell. This is for you, but is there something wrong? Let me try again. Admin and admin. So we have to be accessed with this credential here, but it's not working now. I don't know why, but it could be here. It's a different method. So what is the other port we are listening here? So it's equal to 3000. So let me go here 3000 port, and it will be giving us here GOX here. All right, that's cool. So if I'm gonna hold the explore, there is nothing for us. Users is John here. So we are the user here, the John, and then the signing here is called URL John, and the password is, let me try password here. So username is password is incorrect. So all right, let me go here. Proxy intercept is on, and turn on your burp and the sign in. Then it will be giving us CSRF like here, but we can link intercept is on here, and the turn off or fix the proxy. So then we can maybe starting here to brute force attack. Then it will be giving us here nothing. So is it something it's giving for at the chat GPT will be giving us this maybe to here Hydra Hydra usage. Yes. Okay. We got here request method is post, and request URL is this. Then content type application xform the URL encoded. So is it there something different we have to be understand? No. So let me try Hydra here. So I think we can go cd home Elliot documents ls cd here to this. So let me remove all of things here. Yes. Remove -r. So again, all of things here, the deleting here. So then we can calling here terminal. All right, cool. Let me running here Hydra -l is Jean, and the -p is equal to copy like user share wordless and racket txt, and to or target is equal to localhost. So what's the command? So what is the command? What is the command? Oh my god. Localhost at the 3.2.1 port, and it's the HTTP post form here. Yeah, we just had to be looking for a user login. User login to forward CSRF here. So yes, they are using here CSRF. So I think we cannot get here with the CSRF, so we have to be bypassing it. To username, let me call here, yes, username could be equal to here user, and for password we have to be given here pass. So may not be null. Here only we have to be the error message to looking for it. Username is password is not correct. So one target completed, but there is no. Okay, we cannot get the so let me check in here. Forget password. Sorry, email services are disabled. Please contact the site administrator. So we cannot get to access it. So let me try again at 81 port. Okay, admin password is admin. Bro, we're fucking. Bro, are you fucking serious? No, it's giving us this wrong for admin and admin. No, you're not giving us this is incorrect, but it's not giving us this to dashboard here. So is it could be here to getting the accesses on the login page of this 3000 port. So let me sign in again, John, and the password is, for example, only for you. No, but I don't know what we have to be. I think starting here brute force attack for accesses. Let me ask this the ChatGPT. Yes, now it's giving us the here command. Yeah, let me run it. No. Cool out. So we have to be checking it with this to IP addresses for the with like this. Okay. No, it's not giving us again. So what's wrong here? Could not resolve address. Okay. So we had to be before this is let me everything here clear. So I think we have to be change it here the port number. Is it could be with -C 3000. Yes, it will be starting for us. Alright, that's cool. Now we got here this to Hydra attack. So let me copy this, then we are using it. So actually I don't want to be take your time to when it's ending. You will be got here the password is John and the password, the username is John and the password is this is a for you like that. So this is the password of this user here. Okay, so for example is a let me try. Okay, the nano test.txt and here let me give this is for you and then just have to do here. Yes, it could be like that. You will be checking here the message. And if you are starting it again with this password list is test.txt, you will be get here the password of this user. So it will be take your time too much at the test.txt. Then it will be checking here the real password is equal to John, and this is for you the password here. So if you are to trying at, and then yes, then you will see here this is for you or password. So if it's not at the here to so let me try this. So if it's not into rocket.txt, you have to be create this. So you just have to be create here the password list. So let me try now. Know that test.txt. Then you just have to be go here to, for example, so or domain name is OnlyForYou. So let me go here, OnlyForYou, right? So let me copy this and ask the ChatGPT to write. Okay, so let me go here, the new chat, and then create a password list like this words. So it will be give you really words. Okay, create a word list like this word. Yeah, certainly now. Okay, like OnlyForYou, OnlyForYou, create it. Yes, OnlyForMe, OnlyForYou, OnlyForLife. It will be create your password list here. Then we'll be checking here, or password is definitely equal to here, as this is for you, and then you will be get this shell here this SSH, and then you will be get here to log in and sign in. So let me try with the sign in this. So the password is this is for you. So let me go sign in here. Then yes, it's working. So I think we can get shell with this. So let me crack it with this SSH and John, or copy or John, doesn't matter, add to what's or is OnlyForYou.HackTheBox. So we can using here this IP address, it doesn't matter, So let me use it, and then let me say here yes, and for password you have to be give this. Then you will be checking here. Yes, then you're getting here the user txt and it's equal that. Then you just have to be submitted flag directory relating here. I think it's a bit hard. Yes, I think it's a bit hard, but it's really cool. I love the HackTheBox machine. It's really cool. I like this two machines definitely. Let me add this. So now it's time to be a privilege escalation here. So let me using here clear, and then you will be see here definitely user.txt. So the definitely for the privilege escalation you have to be running here sudo-l. This is the first thing you have to be running here. Then you will be get this message is over there. So let me to sudo-l is giving us to here root is user binary pip3 download http and the 3000 port and tar.gz file. So if you are checking here tar.gz file here, you will see here the test repository for the John. And if you want to be upload the file here, you have to be uploading your file at this tar and gunzip here, at this on this 3000 port here. So this is our goal now. We have to be checking here the files with this definitely with the tar.gunzip, and it will be have to be giving us here the root shell, and this is really cool things. I really like it. So it's what is that? So we have to be just creating here the root files here, and then we will just checking at this. Okay. So to how we can get the shell here, we can using here is the most important is definitely is it able to with chmod and to u plus s and then binary bash. we just have to be creating here bash file at or to the char and gunzip file. Then we get here the shell with this the bash-p, and we are just using here chmod u plus s for the root. So let me go here. It could be or we have to be looking for here to add GitHub. So is it could be like let me running here to this is why not it could be like fuzzy, so we can use this. Yes, z23, and there is a setup.python for us. Yes. For example, we can use it, you know, it could be cool for us, but I don't know. So yeah, I think it's okay. So let me use it for setup.python file. So let me go here again. Where is our terminal? It could be, let me go here, Elliot documents, and go for here cd this, and then clear here again, and then it could be our Sublime tags and setup.python. So let me running here. Okay, it could be setup tools, and the setup tools command is over here, and that run command here, it could be important because we cannot checking here with this. So that run command here, so we are running command here like import to operating system here again, operating system at this. So what's command we have to be using here, we talked it before, it could be chmod u plus s, the binary bash here. So let me chmod use its binary bash here directly. So this the other one, it's I think here it's fine. So is it something different we have to be the change it here? I think it's now. So let me controller save it. So looking for it, the setup Python file is over here. So now so we can use it with this to adding here the tar and gunzip file. Isn't right? It's cool. So before do this, I think we are checking it. We have to be checking it different here. So are we gonna be using it? Yeah. So it's fine. Let me control copy this here. So remote, I think all of the you can see here setup.python. So I think we have to be using it git clone and add this. So as and this is for funny is over here, and then go here Sublime tags again setup.python. We just have to be changing this. It could be import operating system here, and the operation, yeah, it could be like here, right? Operating system, and then again operating system here. I have to be just giving parentheses and add here to again chmod the binary bash file for get this with this bash file to here. So let me control save it. Then we can go back, and then that's really cool, and then we can use it for to looking into it. So you just have to be using here with the oh my god, is something wrong? No, okay. So you just have to be checking here sudo apt install python 3 dash virtual environment. Yes, it's already there. Then pip3 is here, install build. So you just have to be build here set up tools, what we are calling at the module of this Python code is over here. Then the python 3 dash m to build here. So let me build here. So let me go here. This is for funny. Setup Python is over there. Then we can use python 3 -m build. Yes, we have to be run this, and it will be giving us here the tar and gunzip file here. So when we are checking this, yes, we checking here the tar and gunzip files. Then we are, let me go here to dist. So now we have here tar and gunzip file like that. So now we can use it for the uploading here and get shell with this. So that is fine. So I think we can drop it here. So let me go to John task and then to the files. Yes, we have to be signing again. The password is equal to here. This is for you. So let me sign it into here and uploading file, throw files, and go here the documents, and this is this and the target zip file here. Now it's the commit change for us. Then if you are checking here the settings, you will be seeing here this repository is private, so you have to be non-private it with update settings here. Invalid CSRF token. So let me here again to log in one more time because it's reject us for all time. So okay, update settings here. So let me go here again the task file, but there is no or target gunzip file. So again I think we have to be uploading it, commit change, and then yes, it's over here. Let me go settings, then it will be non-private here. That's cool. And or this is fine, target zip file is over there. So I think we have to be using with this. So when we are starting here sudo -l, time to be use this command here directly. So let me run in here sudo. Before starting it, you just have to be add this. But before to add this, you just have to be running here like that. No, it's not definitely could be. I'm just looking for sudo is a download here http, and then yes, it's like here, right? Yes, add to localhost, add this 20,000 port, add here my file John task src master. This is fine from fuzzy here, so we just have to be using it, target gunzip file. So if you are checking it or not a gunzip file, so we have to be doing it at tmp, right? So let me run here ls-la. So ls-la for binary and bash. So let me go here let's see the let me go tmp, then we can use it for on tmp. I think it could be our most cool copy selection. So let me use it running here clear, and then add this ls-la binary and bash. Okay, am I got wrong something different here? No, this is here definitely. So we have to be using something wrong here, I don't know, but it could be here to different. So sudo, so let me run it here one more time. Sudo user binary pip3, okay, download http on this local host of this port John task raw master. This is fine, user targ and gunzip file. So let me try it one more time. Okay, it's downloading, but it's giving us error messaging here. So let me run it here ls-la to binary and bash. No, it's not could be on to, it's have to be running on to different pattern here. So alright, we got here the wrong, so we can change it. Okay, it could be running on this, but it's not running for us. So now we can deleting it. Okay, delete this file. So let me go to test what we got deleting before. Comment change. So uploading here new file. Store.conzip file. Comment change. And the settings. Update settings here. I go for the test. And then I think this. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, it could be here. ls-la ls-la and binary and bash. So bash-p will not come for working here, you know. So it's just, you know, it's able to it. It's so basic, so it's just able to it here to reset this machine. Then you can get access it. But if you are trying this, you will be get here with this bash-p here, and then you will be go to root machine and checking it. So I think as root flag is like hard, so I'm just gonna be giving rating it to hard and submit it rating here. So okay guys, and we got this machine together. So what we are learning here, we are definitely learning here Python command, and then to chisel network, to iOS command injection. Too many tools here, and we got the brute force like that. So if you are, for example, checking it, for example, to act, no, it's some reviews, or all right, it could be reviews, no, mission info. So this is really real life scenario like that. So it's definitely I like this machine, and thank you for watching.